What's up, guys? How are you? Today we're gonna talk about my new mechanic keyboard. My new mechanic keyboard is the Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition. And I'm doing this review because, I think that it's a good one keyboard. And if you're looking for a new one, maybe this is what you're looking at, okay? Well, the Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition. If you know about keyboards, mechanic keyboards, you know that some of them have like red switches, brown switches, or blue switches. And this one is a so special keyboard because it has linear optical switches. What does it mean? Well, that means like in the keyboard, when you press a key, there is a light for each key of the keyboard, and when you press the key, the light goes off away, and that makes the keyboard more faster and soft than other mechanic keyboards. I really like that about this keyboard. Well, how much is this keyboard? Well, in pesos it's like 3,250 pesos. In dollars it will be like $158.
I mean, we can throw shapes together, but it doesn't mean you're in my circle. Cruise through life and I'm feeling on track.
So what? Do you like the keyboard? Well, if you didn't see, as I think that you see, this is the Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition. I really like this keyboard. I really like that. I just say that, but I really like that the keys is so soft, and the response time is fast. Literally, sometimes I don't press the key. I don't think that I'm pressing the key. And in the computer, obviously there's like, hey, and I didn't know that I was like pressing the A, you know? Things I don't like, I really like all, but something that is like makes me feel a little bad, it's when I'm in a call in Discord with my friends, they always are bullying me about my keyboard. It's so annoying. Others say that it's a good sound, but others it's like annoying for them. But at the end, it's a mechanic keyboard. Obviously, it's going to make a lot of noise. But I really like. But some of people don't like to have keyboards with big sound, you know, when you press a key. But I really like all of the keyboard. Well, and now how about to see how the keyboard goes on in video games and how it sounds. Okay, so let's see a video, a little gameplay from us. Okay. So, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. So, if you really like it, just click the button where says like and subscribe, please. I will appreciate so much. And well, that will be all from me today. So, bye.